Guys, product review. This is Hexis BodyFence windshield protection film. So I think this came out maybe like a month or two ago. Got not really a roll, got about like 10-15 feet. This is not sponsored, by the way. I mean, Hexis, if you want to, I won't mind. But, you know, Metro, if you want to, I won't mind. So Metro Restyling got this in. We are going to test this out on the M5CS windshield. And we'll kind of just go through the install process and see how everything goes. It's supposed to be shrink-free, so we shall see. No, this is, I mean, I will say I'm very impressed so far, you know. We'll see how long it lasts and everything, but not bad. This will be awesome on like Broncos or like Jeep, Wranglers, just anything that has flatter windshields. I mean, performance cars, obviously, if you take your car to the track, like Ferraris, pretty much anything you take to the track, I would highly recommend protection film. Or if you go on back roads and do some spirited driving and the person in front of you has Pilot Sport 4S's, definitely get some windshield protection film. Speaking from personal experience. And then basically I'm just going to use the windshield line and trim it right on the windshield. So honest opinions, I would say this is awesome. So this is, again, I don't know how long it'll last. It's rated for like 1 to 2 years, I think. But overall, like installability, great. How well it looks from the inside and outside, great. It's very clear when you sit in the driver's seat, gives you a really nice clear view, doesn't look cloudy or anything. There is still a little bit of ripples and stuff right away. It's just like windshield tint, just needs a little bit of time to dry. But other than that, I would definitely say, as of right now, recommend. Trimmed it flush with the edges. This is trimmed a little bit. It's not trimmed flush because there's a gasket and I want to cut the gasket, but it's trimmed underneath the hood line so you can't really see that it's on. But yeah, we'll see how it performs. We can give you guys an update in a few months maybe. Coming into winter time here, so actually that'll be a really good test. If you guys want to do like an in-depth installation, a how-to, I do have some extra material I can actually throw it on my car. We can do a little how-to video, just kind of a little bit more detailed steps. I know you guys just saw kind of a little bit of the process. Just comment on the video. We'll try to get as many of them as we can.